When your dreams get quiet and your fears unfold, just call my name and I'll run to you. I'll be the light pulling you through. Every step, every tear, I'm right beside you, always near. I will always be there for you, through every shadow, every truth. No matter what you're going through, my heart is yours, I promise you. I will always be there, always be there for you. When the sunrise fades and the colors blur, when you lose your strength, I'll carry yours. You don't have to face the storms alone. With me, you'll always have a home. Every doubt, every fear, I'll hold you close, I'll keep you near. I will always be there for you, through every shadow, every dream. There, what you're going through, my heart is yours, I promise. I will be there, I'll always be there. Oh. When you fall, I'll lift you high. When you break, I'll be your sky. Every day, every night, I'll be right here by your side. I will always be you, even when the world feels blue. I'll be the calm inside.